Hey, what's up? Jeremy with Best Choice DJs here, and today I'm going to unbox the Optoma EH512. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig in. I'm going to open it up really fast. Neat looking bubble wrap. Feels really good. The projector definitely seems safe in here. We've got a few different things. We got batteries and a user manual. Looks like a warranty card. The cable. Looks like this is VGA. It looks like. We have the projector. You can see what else is in this box. The remote. It's useful. Power cable. Let me go ahead and unwrap this. So my first thoughts are it's fairly light for how big it is. So it does feel light, but it also feels kind of heavy. You know, it's not super light. It feels pretty solid, basically. So a nice combination of heavy duty, but not overly bulky or heavy. So let me go ahead and look. You can see the back. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it's like unboxing this projector. I got this for monograms for the most part, for my DJ business, but also sometimes we do slideshows of photos, so it could be used for that. It could be used for any other kind of video presentation, like if a family member records a video, you know, a family member that can't make it to a wedding, then they can record a video and we could play the video at the reception. Another good use for it is for not only regular static monograms, but video monograms. The reason why I got this is because I don't have to pay a $75 fee every time I need to get a gobo printed. In fact, I don't need to get a gobo printed because the projector will just project an image onto the wall. So basically, if I'm charging $200 for a monogram, I keep it all as opposed to giving some other company $75. Another benefit of using this is I can use color as opposed to just a grayscale, black and white. So I can have color monograms as well. And yet another advantage is I can use motion monograms, which is going to be really cool. So that's why I went with this. There's so many different uses for it. Plus, I can also use it for my own personal use. We've been wanting to get this software kind of animation that you use the software or you use a projector to project images for different holidays. They have like scary ghosts and stuff, and you can put a material that you can't see over your door and project the projector on there, and it'll make it look like there's a ghost floating in your door. And then I'm gonna connect it to my audio speakers for Halloween, and you know it should look really cool. So we're gonna get a lot of use out of this. And if you want me to review this, let me know in the comments below. And after I've used it a few times, I'll give you another review after I've had my hands on it, give you my unbiased review of what I like, what I don't like about it. And yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and like it. Hit that bell icon after you subscribe, so that way you'll be notified for my future videos.